Some viewers and subscribers, happy Sunday. Welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl Rosie. She's back here once more. And today, guys, I am going to share a quick and delicious recipe with you guys. Somebody requested it for a while, but I finally get around to doing it for them. And I'll be making some punch to go with my Sunday dinner. And this punch is called strong back punch. Guys, this punch, if you got a good up husband and you got a good up wife and you treat your husband like a king and your husband treat you like a queen, if you got a good up boyfriend and he treat you like a queen and you treat him like a king, this is the punch what you need to make for him. So let's get started. So over here I'll be using a tin of Irish mash straight from Jamaica. And right here I'll be using the good old strong back. I'm also using some peanuts and I'll be using a bit of condensed milk for taste, not too much. And I'm also using some Guinness Original. And I'm also using a bit of oat drink. This drink is contain calcium, vitamins, B2, vitamin B12, vitamin D and E. So this is really good. So I'm going to add a bit of it. And I'm also, there's some oats here. I'm not going to add any oats because that drink is already oat drinks. But when you're making it at home, you can add a bit of oats if you like. The choice is entirely up to you. And I'll be using my vanilla for flavor, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, mixed spice. You can also use the whole nutmeg, but this nutmeg you'll have to grate it. You'll have to use a grater and grate it. So the choice is yours. So let's get straight into it. I'm just gonna wash my hands. My blender is already clean, so I'm just gonna put all my ingredients straight into my blender. Just gonna pour a bit of my oats. I'm just gonna give my Irish mash a good shake, and it's from Jamaica and it's peanut flavor. You can choose your own flavor. It don't have to be peanut, but I like peanuts. So guys, I'm just gonna pour my Irish mash straight into my blender. Wow. Check my strong back out. Wow. This is the real lick. Straight into my blender. Wow. Look how thick it is. It's really thick and rich and healthy. And then I'm just gonna add a bit of ground cinnamon, just that amount. Ground nutmeg. Mixed spice. And vanilla. Just gonna add a bit of condensed milk for taste. I'm not going to add too much because I don't like it when it's too sweet. So I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoonfuls, and that will be good enough for me. So I'm just gonna get this blending. So I'm just gonna switch my blender on and let's get blending. This blender is powerful, so it won't take long to blend. We'll be blending just 1 minute or less than a minute. So guys, my punch is all ready and I'm gonna have a taste and tell you guys exactly what I think about this sponge. So let's get tasting. Wow, look at it. So rich, thick. Wow. The peanut blending very well. It tastes very, very delicious. I really, really like this sponge, guys. All my ingredients blend in very well and it tastes really, really delicious. Real proper strong back punch. So remember guys, make the sponge for your husband if he's treating you really, really good. Or make it for your boyfriend if he's treating you really, really good. If they're not treating like a queen and you are treating them like a king, don't make them the sponge because they do not deserve it. Remember Auntie Rose say that. So guys, cheers to you all. And if you like this video, give it a couple thumbs up, like and share. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below and let Auntie Rose know, you know, what you think about this delicious sponge what I've just made, you know. And I hope you all enjoy this video, and I shall see you soon in another video. Take care now. Peace out. Enjoy your Sunday. Love you all.